Diet is a 21-day weight loss program based on smoothies. I need to lose more weight. How do I continue after the 21 days? The best part of the smoothie diet is that you can use it for as long as you need, to lose as much weight as you want. I make it super simple to continue using everything you learn in the first 3 weeks to extend the program to the next few weeks or even months. My goal is to give you all the tools you need to continue losing weight and getting healthy for as long as you need to. The number one comment I get on the smoothie diet is that after a few weeks, the cravings for sweets and junk foods have essentially disappeared. This makes it very easy to keep the weight off. I'll also show you exactly how to transition back into your regular eating patterns after the 21 days while still incorporating smoothies into your diet to keep the weight off. In fact, most people love the smoothies so much they don't want to give them up after the 21 days. The great thing about the smoothie diet is that it kicks off a chain reaction of lifestyle changes that reduce or eliminate the factors that exacerbate the disease, and reverses the condition in some individuals. If you have diabetes or any other health condition, you should always consult with your doctor first before making any dietary changes. I don't have a lot of time in the day. Is this hard to follow? If you don't have a lot of time in the day, then this program is perfect for you. My ideal customer is a busy mom who works, goes to school, has errands to run, kids to drop off/pick up, etc. I designed this program to be super simple and take minutes a day. Provide tips on how to cut corners to shave some valuable extra minutes off your smoothie prep. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description below to get started. Also subscribe to the channel.